This is everything you need to know on how to clean tile grout. Hi, I'm Molly. Over time, your grout can become a magnet for dirt, stains, and moulding, detracting from the look of your tiled surfaces. Say goodbye to grime and hello to cleaner looking tiles. Let's get into it. Start by giving your floors a sweep or vacuum to ensure that there's no loose hairs, dirt or dust. Follow up with a dry, clean cloth to wipe down the surface, ensuring that you eliminate any dust or loose particles. Make sure the surface is completely dry. A dry surface is crucial for effective grout cleaning. Next, apply the grout cleaner evenly along the grout lines, leaving it a few minutes to absorb. Focus on problematic areas by giving them additional sprays if needed. For a more natural approach, you can use bicarb soda and white cleaning vinegar to form a paste. Use an old toothbrush or grout brush to scrub the grout lines to ensure that all dirt and stains are lifted from the porous grout. After you scrub the grout, you can rinse the tiles and the grout with water using a mop or a damp cloth. Then allow the area to dry completely. This can be sped up with a fan or by opening windows for ventilation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to achieving immaculate grout lines. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.